Yeah. Go play in the rain. And then you can come in and get warm. No, that's your poster. Do you want to play in the rain or no? Okay. Go dance on the rain. Can you dance in the rain? Can you go outside? Go step back a little further. It's cold. Do you want to dance in the rain? Are you done playing in the rain? You just want to sit on there and watch the rain?
You keep using me warmless curtains.
Should we get you a shirt?
Yes.
Okay. What? How did Benny get wet? Did Benny was he out in the rain? Is he all wet now? Look at him drying himself. A sweater? I thought you were swimming in the rain. Can you dance in the rain? Go out and dance. Go. Dance, 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 dance. Can you sing your rain song? Look at me. Look at me.
Come again another day.
Jackson wants to play.
Rain, rain, go away.
Okay, now dance and sing. Go out there and dance and sing. Does Benny want to go out again and see? Yeah. Does Benny not like the rain? Oh.
I wanna.
Are you done playing in the rain? Should we dry off and get warm? Don't take your blanket in the rain.
I still.
That's why you got a swimsuit, so we can dry off and be warm when you're done.
My feet. Big like Benny.
Should I go out in the rain?
Yes. Big. You big.
Brr, it is cold. Woo!
It is cold.
Should we dance in the rain? Let's go in and dry off and get warm, huh? You're cold.
Go out with me.
Okay. Should we dance in the rain?
Yeah.
Okay. Dancy, 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 dance, dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain, dancy, dancing in the rain.
Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a hand.
Sing your rain song.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Choo-choo on the way.
Dancing in the rain.
Should we see if Gracie and Buttercup want to go out? Gracie, Buttercup, go outside, go potty. Gracie, Buttercup, good girl, Buttercup.
I'm happy again.
Gracie, go outside, go potty. Go outside.
Go away. Rain, rain.
Go outside, Benny. Gracie, go outside.
Dancing in.
Go outside, Benny.
Get out here. It's me and I scoop you up.